segment to provide all you entrepreneurs and give you an opportunity to organize your thoughts and narrate your story in your words. I spoke to the co-founders of Bangalore-based Ventus Craft earlier today, and they made their pitch. Listen in. Let me give you 30 seconds to quickly explain to our viewers what your venture is all about. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Rahul Rajiv, co-founder of Ventus Craft. We started off Ventus Craft in 2017 with a motto to educate people in stock market so that they have a multiple source of income. And we believe that in India, like in a growing economy like India, we should make sure that people have multiple sources of income. And we have two verticals. The first one is stock market and the second one being business development. So we are training people to become pro traders in stock market, as well as making sure that people are becoming business developers so that they can build others' business as well.
Talk to us about these two different models that you have.
So this is Mahin BS, one of the co-founders of Ventus Craft. So basically, we have two programs. Let me explain about the first program, the stock market program. So as a trader, I know that trading is not something to learn from, like 17 hours of class, 20 hours of class. It's not possible to learn trading. It's same like driving. You have to go learn driving. Same like if you want to trade, you have to go trade and learn. Okay. So I believe in that. That's why we designed the program in a way like it will be a 1 year program. And first 2 months will be the theoretical classes. After that, almost 10 months, they have to trade and learn. We have almost 32 employees right now in India. Okay. And our company is established in Malaysia also, registered as well, Ventus Craft ST and BHT. So there almost we have 18 employees. And so what we do is first 2 months theoretical classes, then after 10 months of practical learning, we make them invest very less investment, like 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees just for trading purpose, learning purpose. Okay. Then after that, next 2 to 3 months, they need to learn almost 30 plus strategies are there for learning or trading in the market. And after that, they need to learn how to trade in different market conditions. So basically, these strategies work different in different conditions. So they need to give this report to the financial trainers of our company. Like that, there are almost 30,000 plus students or 30,000 plus traders already became full-time traders with our company. I'm very happy about it. Okay. And that is all about the stock market program. Okay. Second one is the business development program. I'm basically a business developer. The company that we started in Malaysia, we started as a business development firm. And I basically deal with multinational companies in Malaysia, as well as I have 2 to 3 companies in India as well. So that is into business development. And as a business developer, I understood that the potential of the business development is a service-based business. So I wanted more people also to become business developers. Like that, we started the company. And like that, we added this program called Business Development Program.
Right. So what made you guys, want to combine forces and set up one company with 2 verticals as opposed to having 2 different startups and running it by yourselves, like a separate training company and a separate business development company? Talk to us about that, and both of you can take this.
So we started off this thing, and we could be actually beneficial because of this thing, because of the digital medium. So we knew the potential about how exactly business development works. Just because everything was digitally possible, we could reach to like a lot of people, and we could actually change lives because of stock market.
At this point, how much percentage of your revenues are being driven by the business development vertical, and likewise for the trading vertical?
So 80% of the revenue is coming from business development, because as it sounds, it is very vast. Okay. And almost 20% is coming from the stock market, because we are not much concentrating on that now, because business development is something really big, and it has a very lot of potential. People actually are slowly getting to know about it.
I'm just very curious to quickly understand, this is not a crash course, or this is not one of those programs or certification programs, right? So when you say that it's a 1 year mentorship, so that's what sets it apart from other players out there?
As I already explained to you, like I already told you, trading is not something to learn from books. Like you have to trade and learn. Okay. That's what I believe, and that's what we are giving to the people. Right. Okay. So this is a practical trading platform.
So in 2005, the Nifty was around 2,000, 3,000, and it became almost up to 10,000 in 2016, 17, 18. So during that time, we could totally understand that so much of changes are happening, and it's always the market is evolving.
Right.
You should understand that.
Yeah.
Right.
So you cannot just learn it through 1 month's course. You should be totally moving with the market for almost 12 months to understand how it totally changes.
Well, that was Ventus Craft's elevator pitch. They train people in stock markets and business development. And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Startup Street. Many thanks for watching. Stay tuned to CNBC TV.